All good. Happy thoughts. Hawkeye. Oh no! Oh no! What have you done? Dude, can we demo this shit already?
Scrum stream, probably.
And I'm pretty tipsy, and I'm pretty.
Its eyes face forward, just like ours do, giving it binocular vision. Meaning, if a T-Rex is looking at you, it's looking at you.
Hello there, and welcome to stream, everybody. Welcome there, and welcome to stream, everybody. Welcome there, and welcome to stream, everybody. Welcome there.
Dang, just between me and you, did he actually do level 2? He's lying, right?
Pretty sure he can still hear you.
Of course I did level.
I'm grabbing it and putting it on my head.
You got 2 protection pieces.
We are the science bros. Science and discovery.
And we have handicaps. Yeah, we're down 2 hearts, so gotta remember that.
It's true. Oh, I guess we can.
A magical alligator swimming through Hermitcraft. Oh, hi, Grian. Hi, help me, please.
What is your boundaries on shipping?
Yeah, I'm definitely a UPS guy. FedEx has let me down too many times.
Well, I've always had a thing for red names, bad boys.
Okay.
Oh, that's awkward. Anyway, guys, I'm burning their tree. Look at this guy. Look at him. Look. I have committed reindeer murder.
I feel so Sigma and
if you wanted me so bad. Pacify her. She's getting on my nerves. You don't.
I can't stop looking at her face. Me and Cat Mama rolled into the distant fall. Little did she know I'm a nasty dog. I'm slinging that game like an.
I cannot stand for it. Metaphorically, I can't stand for anything, but I roll around these days with just no train, unfortunately. I spilled the maple syrup. You guys are all in prison now for great crimes against Hermitcraft, spreading spores.
And then we're even.
Then we're even, but also friends.
Just like Third Life.
Oh, what happened in Third Life?
I thought maybe you could love me like you used to.
even though I'm different.
Look at them all. If we survive, we survived. Watch this. Ah, oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! And yeah, so until next time, guys, this has been Good Times Gone. Hello there, and welcome back to Past Life Episode 2, Cabin Core Edition. Good times, Oscar here, bringing you another Cracking Dead episode where we only have one life to live because we're rolling this in hardcore.
Okay, let's hear this one. I want to hear this.
He was mean.
Pocket dividends, missing that bezels, you plotting more niggas, picking that pedal. How could that little young bitch from the ghetto hit the jackpot? Ain't no 50 cash pot. Keep jocking, jiggy, jiggling, hello.
Asked Scar to represent me as a lawyer because I didn't have time to prepare for this case, and he doesn't prepare for cases, so it really is a match made in heaven.
Oh wow, dude! Yes, I am here.
I got a lawyer. Okay.
Oh my god, I wasn't prepared, Mumbo.
Yeah, you should have done research into heads or tails, Scar. Objection, that's really personal and mean.
You're undefended, you can't object!
Scar, object for me.
I object.
Yeah.
Worse.
You did?
Then there was earth pollution.
Go ahead, bud. You got this.
And it's rich from a man like that to tell this hardworking man here who looks guilty. I'll admit it. This man here looks guilty.
Maybe the wrong word.
There's been talk of a man throwing a brick. This man has no dexterity.
That was strong.
Really
that was good. A jury.
Oh, sorry.
From one of the worst looking shops.
What's looking?
I mean,
hang on.
No,
that was a objection.
This is personal.
How come they get so many witnesses? Why don't we get any
I
stuff?
wasn't told we could have witnesses. I wasn't told about this outside of the parking lot 5 minutes ago. You really threw my defense out there.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
You are. Mother, you look straight at me and I'm going to save your life. Maybe he's more dexterous than we thought.
Definitely not.
Do you have any other questions? Do you think anything like...
I don't. This is not my position. I'm not in the position to ask the questions. I
was asked to be your lawyer in the parking lot. I'm doing my best. Hearsay.
Ooh. Yeah, that is hearsay.
Oh, double cross.
Mine
double
again?
cross examine.
No,
Go for it, guys.
this is Scar speaking. It's not me flexing in the closing statement. I love it. I love it. Oh my
I am
goodness.
building a zoo.
No, I'm not. But I've seen the size of the area that you're planning on building.
I'm not
That's
done.
it. Oh gosh. And everyone else being poor is just a skill issue. Right, cool. I think that was it.
resist a shame he's not a fact. The only girl I ever loved was Andrew and Drag. There is no hope of love for me, from here on I'll go stack. The only girl I'll ever love is Andrew and Drag.
I'll take you to the moon and back, backseat of my Cadillac. Start out slow, then play it faster. I'll fly you up to paradise, take us head and close your eyes. I know what you fantasize about.
This is my stupid boyfriend. He's always doing things for me. He's smart and sweet and clever. He reads and writes me poetry. He sends me flowers at work. He'd save my kitten from a tree.
It doesn't take a killer to murder. It only takes a reason to kill. We've all got evidence of fantasy since everything's coincidence. The difference between fate and free will is whether you're singing. Could you take a look at me? Am I bad? Am I bad? Am I bad? Am I breathing?
Yeah, I hate those Popo.
Wait, oh no! You're the Popo, I just remembered!
And it's kind of a drag.
It's looking spectacular in the way, dude.
And you look like a sweet potato.
Don't you anti-camel?
I'm not anti-camel, I'm pro-scar.
It's looking spectacular in the way, dude.
And you look like a sweet potato.